Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, All Simply Done. I'm reviewing, unboxing a Low Energy Dehumidifier made by Meaco. This one is a 12 litre low energy consumption with 2 years warranty. The humidifier is designed to dry the air to combat the damp, mold and condensation. And these are the expected amount of water which should be pulled out from the environment. So in the other words, if it's more and warmer environment in your house, it's going to be more water pulled out in the tank, in the water reservoir. So let's get going with unboxing now. We bought our dehumidifier from Currys and it did cost a bit of money, but on the whole I think it will be the best purchase. Once the humidifier is out of the box, there's a screen which is a digital. There is only a few buttons and quite plain and simple to use. Right around the back there was a free HEPA filter attached to the humidifier, which normally helps to remove mold, spores, pollen, dust mites from the air, and it's supposed to be working by the sound of it. And those are the filters to be used once every 3 months. And once full, you have to purchase a new one. If there is a buildup of dust on the filter itself, you can actually, according to instruction manual, you can hoover a filter in order to remove the excess of dust or dirt off the filter. Operating temperatures of this dehumidifier is 5 to 35 degrees, and there is a nice strong handle on the top of the dehumidifier to move it about. But just do remember, because the dehumidifier weighs quite a bit, it's almost 10 kilograms. Now I'm gonna go through instruction manuals about all the components of the dehumidifier itself, how to use it according to the instruction manual, and how to live with it. When the water tank is full, the dehumidifier stops automatically. The front panel of the humidifier looks like that, with all the basic buttons, and as it says, the reading on the display, once the dehumidifier is switched on, it would show you the initial level of humidity in your room or in your house. As per instruction manual, recommended settings the dehumidifier to reach a target humidity level of 50 or 55. Dehumidifier can be used in AP mode, which is air purification mode, which in this mode the humidifier will not collect any water. A HEPA filter needs to be used for air to be purified. A second mode is a CO, continuous mode, and in this mode the dehumidifier will be collecting water into the water reservoir and drying up the air from condensation. And now a little bit about the specification. So extraction rate is maximum 12 liters per day. The airflow maximum is 90 cubical meters per hour. The target humidity should be between 50 and 55%. On our initial startup, press the on and off button. The default settings for humidity level, target humidity level are 50, and digital display shown in our house it was 90, quite high. To check on what mode your dehumidifier is running, press down arrow once, and as you just seen, there was a CNO letters popping up on the screen, which means continuous mode, to reduce the humidity and prevent condensation. You can press arrow up or down to increase or decrease target level of humidity in your house. For the best result, place the humidifier in a central position within your home, for example in the hallway. For the best results, leave the humidifier running 24/7. The moisture in the air from entire house will be migrating towards the dehumidifier, allowing the machine to reduce the relative humidity level. And this will take probably weeks. Hello guys, I'm back again. A quick update on our dehumidifier. You can just listen how it's working. Humming. At the minute you can see the number on the top is 63 level of humidity. Yes, that's 63, and on this little clock we've got, it's showing 55, and the room temperature is 23.7. Right, now it's 62, you see. Anyway, so after a week of using it, we got it on the 10th, and now it's 17th. The humidity level dropped down drastically. During the first 2 or the first 3 days when we bought the dehumidifier, the tank, which is just here at the back, just there, which is the 2.5 litre capacity, we've been emptying it daily twice, and later, after 3 days, it's been only once a day. The container was full, so there is a lot of humidity in the air. We haven't used a HEPA filter because none of our family members are allergic to anything, and also the other fact I haven't used it because in the instruction manual it says if you're going to use the filter, it's going to be 11% less dehumidification and 7% of increase of energy consumption in our model. So that was the reasons. And also we haven't been using the dehumidifier during the night time, only in the day, because it's not loud, but it's there constantly, so I don't think I would be able to use it during the night time when, well, at least I'm asleep. So at the minute, as you can see, it's in the bedroom, but normally in the day we've been moving it around, and especially positioning right in the middle of the house, somewhere like in the hallway. On the whole, I just wanted to say this is, I think, the best buy in 2020, and I think every household should have one. It's a really good product and it does the job. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you're able to buy one, just go and get your hands on one. We bought one from Curry's, and I'm really pleased with it. So, and also, yeah, just to say, it comes with a 2 years warranty, so anything goes wrong, just go straight back to Curry's and just go for some customer support. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you soon. Take care and stay safe. Bye now.